Hey everyone, I'm CJ from CJT Gaming, and today I'm putting on my chef hat and I'm showing you how to make my own recipe for a super easy Bailey's fridge cake. No kids, I'm afraid, it's got alcohol in. Enjoy! So we're obviously going to need some Baileys, then some chocolate chip cookies, lovely, double cream, lovely. Chocolate chips, I've got dark, you can have milk, cool. And a pot or tub or bowl or whatever. So the first thing you'll want to do is take your double cream and you're going to want to whisk it. I can't be bothered because I'm lazy, so I have one of these to do it for me. So I shall do that now. So that's now in there. So you're just going to very noisily clonk that in there. This is not easy to do with one hand, oh my god. And it's not turned on! Ah! Okay, it's now turned on. Look at it go! Look at it go! Whiz it! Whiz it! Okay, sorry if that hurt your ears, but you want to do it so it's like, sort of like that. Just whisk it, basically. If your arm's hurting at this point, then take a break, but mine isn't because I've got this. Alright, so you're going to want to set the cream to the side, because what you're going to need now is the pot, the chocolate chips, and the chocolate chip cookies, the Baileys, and also a bowl. Okay? So what I didn't want to do with one hand is pour Baileys into a bowl. Lovely. And then you want chocolate chips as well. How am I going to do this with one hand? Alright, so this is what you want to do. You're going to grab your chocolate chip cookies. Lovely. Ooh, chuck it in. Woo! Look at that. And then sort of get the excess off. Chuck it in the pot. And do that until you fill the whole bottom layer with cookies. Okay, so I filled the tray, pot, whatever you want to call it, and if your pot's a funny shape, then just half the cookies. You don't have to fill in all the little gaps, but this is very, it's definitely based on your preference, so make it and see what you think, and then you can make your changes to it. So once you've done that, you want to get a bit of the cream, not all of it, a bit of it, and slap it on top of those cookies, which I'm not doing one-handed. So once you've got your desired amount of cream on top, again, it's all your preference. You can make the layers as thick or as thin as you want. You're just going to do the same with the cookies, do another layer. That's your next layer of cookies. So guess what you're going to do next? More cream, stick the rest of the cream on top, or if you're doing another layer or more, then keep going. Right, so once you've finished your layers of cream and you've got Baileys everywhere and you've got cream everywhere, it's now time for the final part. The chocolate chips! Woo! Sprinkle them on! I dropped some on the floor. Right, once you've got your chocolate chips on there, and you've finished snacking on biscuits, Baileys, chocolate chips, that's it. You're done. So if it's a pot, I'll just slap the lid on, just like that. Stick it in the fridge, and you're going to want to leave it for a day. You can leave it less, but the biscuits will still be a bit crunchy. If you leave it longer, they go soft and it's lovely. So yeah, I'm going to do all this Baileys, and biscuits, and chocolate chips. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, now you've finished your Baileys and you got your chocolate chip things, and then here's the finished result. And this is the finished product. It's been in the fridge all day. It'll be what, about 7 or 8 hours. This is the finished product. You get your bowl, obviously. You need a bowl and a spoon. And get a bit out. Chop it out. Because the biscuits go softer the longer you leave it in. And because the Baileys is in the cookies, it soaks into the cream as well. And it's very yummy. Very, very yummy. Yummy. Very yummy. So that was my recipe for a Baileys fridge cake. I hope you enjoyed, and please do let me know if you make it, because I want to know how yours turns out. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks everyone so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye!